Good morning, everyone. How we doing today? So, health. We talked about the body. Let's talk about our mind. That beautiful machine of ours, that brain, working 7 days a week, full day, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. That beautiful machine of ours that sometimes become hell. So, how to maintain a healthy mind, healthy brain? You know what? It's pretty easy. And you want to do it because a healthy mind makes a resilient mind, and a resilient mind makes a resilient life. And then life is easier. And isn't it what we want? An easier life to deal with things with resilience, so they don't hit us so hard. Or even if they hit us so hard, we're like, I'm ready. I can do this. We've seen the body. You know what? The mind works with pretty much the same thing. Healthy diet. Yeah, I'm sorry. This one, you feed it with a lot of sugary, fatty things, alcohol, caffeine, and goes like, yeah, that's how your brain goes, and then crashes. If you give him the healthy stuff like whole food, hydration, not so much caffeine, not so much alcohol, protein, healthy fat, fruits, vegetables, it goes like, and you know what? In your digestive system, you actually have neurons that are connected there. So what you put here has an effect there. And I told you, there's even the psychiatric nutrition, because they realize that there's a big connection there. So your diet makes a whole difference. And remember, it's easy. It's not 100% of the time. It's just 80% of the time you're being a good, healthy dieter. And 20% of the time you go like, ooh, yes, ooh, yes. See? Easy. 80-20. And it's already that what you put there is going to have a great effect on that and a great effect on that. See? One thing and you resolve two things. The other one, yeah, the sleep. Yeah, we talked about it, but it's very important. When you are deprived, sleep deprived, what happens? You go crazy, you have less patience. You basically want to kill everyone. Anger is there, anxiety is there, sadness is there. Like mentally, it's like, I can't deal with this, I can't deal with that, I don't think I can't anymore. So sleep is very important. And it's not so much the hours, than the quality of sleep, that you really rest. That, remember that before you go to sleep, maybe change your routine so you are winding it down really, so you can go to bed feeling that you're going to have a good night's sleep. If you don't, just adapt. And remember that there are periods of time in your life you won't sleep well. It's okay. Don't start thinking that it will always be like this, that, and that you're going to go crazy. No. Remember, everything in life goes like this. But sleep is super important. Diet, sleep. And resting. Resting also during the day. Do activities that make you feel good. Because doing this will help you dealing with stress, because stress is there all the time, or most of the time. So if you take a mini break, walk in the nature, smell something you like, spend some time with people you love, and if you can't do it physically, even though it's better, do it by video calls. But it's important. Do things that feed you. Remember, feeding you. In that case, not in the mouth, but emotionally. Sleeping, eating, taking breaks with this during the day. Exercise, but remember we spoke about that for the health, for your body health. So exercise, remember, you don't have to be a gym freak or a sport freak like me. You just have to take some walks, swimming, dancing, 20 minutes, and you don't have to be drenched. You just have to be active, do something, you know. It's good for that and it's good for that. and also you'll feel much better after, usually because your emotion will change, because your body state will change. So 20 minutes, 3 times a week, 4 times a week. What is 20 minutes? And then you can increase it, but start with 20 minutes. Big change for that. Your diet, your sleep, your rest, your exercise, and then the awareness of what's going on there. During the day, from time to time, ask yourself, how am I feeling? Ooh, I'm starting to feel irritated. I'm starting to feel angry. I'm feeling anxious. No judgment, just ask yourself. And with difficult emotion, take the message, but don't react from the emotion. If you're angry, don't say, oh, no, I'm not angry, and you shuffle it there. No, you're feeling angry. You modulate so that your anger goes down. That's what a healthy mind can do without pretending you're not. You're just angry and you're taming that anger down. Then you take the message. What's the message of that anger? Oh, I'm feeling that what I'm doing here is not being valued, or that I'm being taken advantage. Okay, let's change that. But you don't want to react from the anger. You take the message and then you react, but not from a place of anger. Same thing with anxiety. Instead of distracting yourself strongly by drinking, going out, binging on